Hello, everyone, and welcome to the spring semester of Math 150. I'm your teacher, Professor Michael Brown, and I want to walk you through what you need to be able to do for the opening day of class, which is next Tuesday at 8:35. All the lectures will be live, synchronous, and they are recorded, so you're not actually required to attend. However, there will be office hours following every class, so if you attend, then you'll be able to stay on and ask questions conveniently on a daily basis. Now, I want to walk you through everything you need to know about Canvas so that you are prepared on the first day of class. So when you get to this course and you go directly to the home page, you'll notice the course syllabus is right here. It's also located elsewhere. Everything that I post on a daily basis, I will post under modules, which are over here on the left side. So you click modules, and then you'll notice sections are designed. Notes, I have syllabus, schedule, there's already some trig review notes. Videos, I already have an algebra and a trig review video posted that you should watch before the first class. Zoom lectures will go next. The quizzes, there's already a quiz and an algebra trig review worksheet for you. And then finally, the exams. On a daily basis, I post content, and there will be lots and lots and lots of videos. The videos you are generally to watch before the class actually meets, so you can be prepared for the class itself. And I go into tremendous detail, both in the class and on the videos. Now, the schedule, which I want to go over first. So if I click here, I'm going to open this up. Now, this is a lecture by lecture schedule of what we're doing this semester. We will never deviate from this at all. For example, the opening lecture, introduction, trig review, and we start right off the bat with limits. Now, there will be a quiz on every single lecture, and the quizzes are always due 2 classes later. You notice here on Tuesday, the 9th, says quiz 1. That quiz is based on the first lecture's material, and that quiz is due by the beginning of class. You can turn in the quiz anytime right up until the class starts. And then the second lecture, that's quiz 2, third lecture, quiz 3, and so on. Notice here then at the end of week 4, the 2 double slashes here indicate to you that's the end of the material that will be on that first exam. And then the first exam is 3 classes later here on March 9th. On the day of the last material being posted, I will also be giving you a practice test and the key to the practice test so you can practice and be prepared for that first exam. So the exam will cover the first 8 lectures, which primarily will be the practice problems that you've been doing, the quiz questions, familiar themes. There won't be anything unfamiliar, plus there will always be a review. Now, as we go through the course, okay, every single lecture again is mapped out all the way till the end, with the final exam being on March 27th. Now at the bottom, notice these are all the important dates here that you need to know. The add and refund deadlines are basically you have 2 weeks to decide if you're going to stay in the course. Spring break is after the 8th week of class, and at the end of the 10th week of class, you must decide whether you're going to stay in or not. So our second exam here on April 15th is the day before the last final day to drop the class. Now, this schedule, like I said, we will adhere to very strictly, but I will be posting generally lecture notes, videos, and quizzes ahead of time. So if you choose to work ahead, you can often be up to a week ahead in this class, which is a very nice feature. Now, as the course goes on, I take questions constantly, and the majority of the questions that I get are usually emailed to me. People take a picture of their work and they send it to me. So this is the way it's going to work in general. The first lecture, I've already posted videos that I want you to watch and be prepared for. We will do lots and lots of problems. I'll stay on for every question you have. At that point, you should pretty much be ready to do the first quiz after you've practiced a few of the problems. And then you're going to turn in the quiz by simply taking a picture with your cell phone and then sending it to me. And I'll instruct you on exactly how to do that on the first day of class. And you're going to do this on a regular basis. All work can be turned in early because you generally have at least 7 days in which to do all the quizzes. If there's an exam, then you'd have a little bit longer because the quizzes are always due 2 lectures later. So if there's an exam, then you'll either have 9 or 12 days in which to do your quiz. When we have spring break, that gives you an extra week. Now, I look forward to working with all of you this semester, and this class is very, very interactive. And so hopefully you can make as many of the lectures as possible. I don't want you to have to figure out Calculus 1 on your own. So in the meantime, the syllabus, read it over, make sure you don't have any questions, and I'll see you all on the first day of class.